Grip is something that many struggle with in calisthenics, and while there are various things that we can do to improve our grip strength, using chalk is often cited as one of them. This is something that I've actually recently found out myself as I've been dialing up my weighted pull-up training as I've been working on the front lever, more on that by clicking on the card. But I'm a quantitative guy, so if chalk really is helping me with my grip strength, what I want to find out is how much is it helping me? So that's what we'll be going through today, a quick test to understand if chalk really does help with grip strength. Let's get into it. How you doing, Cali Crowd? Welcome back to the channel that makes calisthenics simple. Jumping straight into it, the test we have to measure grip strength is a very simple hanging duration test. I tested my grip with chalk and without chalk on 2 separate days to keep the test absolutely fair, and here were the results. So as you can see, adding chalk significantly boosted my hang time duration, a 61% increase in fact in the amount of time that I could hang from the bar, which for me says it all, especially when considering the role that grip plays in so many different calisthenic skills. I'll drop a link down below to the liquid chalk that I used for this test, and if you're looking to see if there's anything else you can do to improve your grip strength, then check out this video right here.